Hey friends, welcome back to our Adobe series where we're showcasing the new features of Acrobat Studio. Today I'm partnering with Adobe to show you the entire process of how to create this great looking document starting from many different file types. To do this, here's what we'll cover. We'll start with combining different file types into one organized PDF. Then we'll chat with AI Assistant to get learnings and brainstorm content. Then we'll explore different ways to style our document with Adobe Express tools. And we'll finish by sharing the document with our team directly from Acrobat, which will streamline the review process. So for those of you who don't know, Acrobat Studio is one of the best softwares for integrating document workflows with cloud storage and AI-powered tools. It's one of the best AI workflow tools and one of the best smart document assistants out there. It now goes way beyond just viewing PDFs, and it's designed to be an all-in-one productivity platform. Today, we'll walk through a real example of creating a press kit for a small business so you can see how everything comes together. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to streamline document workflows from start to finish. There's lots of exciting stuff to cover, so let's dive right in. Let's say you're putting together a press kit for your business. You've got a company overview as a Word doc, some product images as PNGs, and a PDF article about your company from a publication. Right now, these are all separate files in different formats, which makes it hard to share and review with your team. Here's how you can combine everything into one organized document. The first thing you want to do is open Adobe Acrobat Studio. I'll be using it on the web browser, but you can also use it on the desktop app. At the top, I'll go to Edit and then press Combine Files. This opens a window where we can add different file types. So I'll highlight all the files that we have and then click and drag it into the window and just give it a couple seconds. Once they're loaded, you can see them all listed here. Before we combine them, we can actually organize the files by clicking and dragging them around. We can also rotate the pages if we use this button here. Now we have them in the correct order. Let's go to the top and press combine. And now just wait for it to do its thing. And just like that, all the files are now in one single PDF. Even after combining, we can still make changes to the order by clicking Edit at the top and then pressing Organize Pages in the toolbar. Here, I can see all the pages in the combined document. If I need to delete or rotate a specific page, I can do that by hovering over it. For now, let's go back to the main screen. As you can see, Acrobat automatically recognizes the text, so if we want to make any specific changes, we can click inside and adjust the wording. So if I wanted this to say young instead of small, I can type that in right there. This gives us a solid base for our press kit. And here's the thing, this isn't just for 5 files. Acrobat Studio is one of the top platforms for batch processing multiple PDF files, so you can combine dozens of documents at once. This is a huge time saver and is a great solution if you're wondering how to streamline document workflows by keeping everything organized in one place. Now let's work with AI Assistant. So in our press kit, we can click this button at the top, which will open up AI Assistant. This gives us the ability to chat with our document to help us brainstorm, analyze, and find the highlights or improve it in some way. Let me chat with our document and ask, review this press kit and suggest improvements to make it more compelling for journalists. Once I press enter, AI Assistant analyzes the entire document and gives us specific suggestions. In this case, it gives us ideas to streamline the content, enhance visual appeal, and a bunch more over here. One of the best parts about AI Assistant is it gives us built-in source citations of where it's getting the information from, and if we click on it, it'll take us to the exact page in the document so we can verify information or learn more. So if we want to implement some of this feedback, we can go to Edit and then type in some new words here. If we make changes to the text, it'll also give us a reminder to hit refresh if we want AI Assistant to work with the most up-to-date document. Another thing we can do is highlight specific text in the document and ask AI Assistant to help us rephrase. So if we select this part, go to AI Tools, and then select AI Assistant, it'll then copy that exact text and location in the chat window. We can type in something like, can you make this active voice and simplify the jargon? And as you can see, it generates a solid option that we can use instead of what we have. So I'm gonna press copy and then go to edit and just paste that in. And as you can see, it generates an option we can use based on our request. Now I'm gonna click refresh and that looks much better. This is one of the many ways you can use AI for document creation to boost your productivity and build great looking documents that stand out. It does this by working from your files, so it's able to give you tailored responses instead of generic suggestions. This is one of the best AI document assistant tools because it understands your entire document and gives you relevant and actionable feedback. Now that our press kit has better wording, we're ready to make it look professional. This is where Acrobat's Adobe Express integration comes in. If we click on Edit in the toolbar, it brings up a panel where we can choose between different options. All of these here will take you to Adobe Express and automatically open the PDF we're working on. Let's say we want to create a really eye-catching title page for our press kit. We can click Design a New Page and wait for Adobe Express to load. In the Express editor, there are a ton of different functions we can use to stylize this PDF. Since we're making a cover page, I'm gonna go up to the document template and search for cover page. And this gives us a ton of options that we can choose from. I think I like this one the most, so I'm gonna click on it and press add as pages. Now I just like the cover page, so I'm going to just select these other files and delete them. And then I'm gonna click and drag it to the first page. Now let's go ahead and click inside. And this is a fully editable cover page, so we can type in anything that we want. All right, this is much better. If I also wanna change this image here, I can select it and click replace. And it gives us a couple different options like upload from computer. But I think something more fun is to use AI to generate a custom image for us. I'll go to the side panel and hover over add content and click media, and then select generate image and choose the sizing, and I want it in landscape. On this screen, it gives us a bunch of options like typing in a prompt for the image and a few different options to customize the style. Let's go to the prompt and type something in like photorealistic image of a team cheering in a boardroom. If I wanted to, I can upload reference images and even choose the image model that we want to use, but I want to press this content type here and then click photo. And now we have everything we need, so let's click generate. After a few seconds, it generates a few options and automatically puts it in our document. I like this one the best, so I'm gonna select it. Now let's go ahead and resize it above our image, just like that, and then right click and go to send it backward and just do some slight adjustments. Now I wanna make sure this file has consistent style across all the pages so it doesn't look like a Frankenstein document. Over here on the left, there's a theme option that we can click on. This shows me different theme options that will standardize the fonts, colors, and sizes across all pages in the document. I'm gonna go with this one and then click apply to all pages. And as you can see, it updates all the pages, the fonts, the margins, and colors to make them all consistent. Everything looks like it belongs as opposed to looking like a bunch of random files stuck together. I encourage you to try out some other things you could do on this page to see the full power of Acrobat and Adobe Express. This integration is what makes it one of the best AI creative workspaces. The Adobe ecosystem gives you the ability to really make high quality documents that look professionally designed. Our document is now ready to send to our team, and we have a few different options of doing that. We can share it using Express by clicking this button, or we can download it directly on our computer, which is what I'm gonna do. Let's go ahead and click download so we can open it back up in Acrobat. Now let's share this final document with our team for review before we send it to journalists. So let's open the file we downloaded from Express so we can share it using Acrobat. With it open, we can go to the top and press share, and we can type in the emails of specific team members so that they can view the document and add comments. You can add a message here that will be in the actual email that they'll receive when you share the document, and you can also add a deadline with a specific day and time. We can also adjust the permission settings for the link here at the bottom. Assuming everything is set the way we want, we can click invite, and Acrobat will automatically send them an email with the link to view the document. If someone views it and adds a comment, I'll get notified and I can reply right away in the comment thread. Acrobat is one of the best AI-powered collaboration tools and one of the best softwares for streamlining document processes because all the review and feedback stays within the document itself. This minimizes confusion that might happen when working with multiple versions of a document and eliminates the need to consolidate feedback from multiple attachments. All right, so to recap, we just showed how to streamline document workflows using one of the best smart document platforms with tools for real-time document collaboration. From combining files and converting different file types to and from PDF, to getting insights from one of the best document assistants, to polishing with Express, to collaborating on shared project documents, Acrobat Studio gives you a way to do everything in one ecosystem so you don't have to use a bunch of different softwares that are incompatible with each other. If you want to try Acrobat Studio for yourself, I'll drop a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.